Standard form of a rational number. What do you mean by standard form of a rational number? How to convert a rational number to its standard form? Standard form का मतलब क्या है? A rational number p by q is said to be in standard form if q is positive and p and q have no common divisors other than 1. For example, 20, 21 by 35. 21 by 35 is a rational number. It is in the form of p by q, but it is not in standard form. To change this number to standard form, first of all, we have to see whether q is positive or not. Here we are seeing that q is positive. It means first condition for being a standard form of a rational number is satisfied. Second point, p and q have no common divisors other than 1. But here there is a common divisor other than 1 of this 21 and 35, and the common divisor is 7. So divide by this common divisor in numerator and denominator, and we will get 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 is a rational number in standard form. 21 by 35 is not in standard form, but 3 by 5 is in standard form. So a rational number can be converted to its standard form taking these two important things. First, q should be positive, and second, p and q have no common divisors other than 1. Here it is in the form of p by q, and q is positive, and p and q means 3 and 5 have no any common divisor other than 1. So 3 by 5 is in a standard form of a rational number 21 by 35. I think it is clear. So a rational number is converted to its standard form easily. Second thing is representation of rational number on real line. How to represent a rational number on real line? In the previous class, we have learned how to represent integers on the number line. Let us review it. We have to draw any line. We have to draw any line like this, and we take a point O, and suppose it is 0. Set of equal distances on the right as well as on the left of 0, like this, 1, 2, 3, and so on. -1, -2, -3, and so on. So any integer can be indicated on this real line. So we may represent any integer by a point on the number line. Clearly, every positive integer lies to the right of 0, and every negative integer lies on the left of 0. Like this, we can represent a rational number on real line. And for this, we have to draw a line, and then we take a point 0 in the middle. Let it represent, it is 0, set of unit lengths OA. This is unit length, and OA dash. Similarly, OB OB dash as per requirement. Suppose we have to represent 1 by 2 this rational number on the number line. 1 by 2 को रियल लाइन में रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए सबसे पहले 0 के राइट साइड में एक यूनिट ले लिए 1, इसके लेफ्ट साइड में भी एक यूनिट ले लिए -1. ये रैशनल नंबर पॉजिटिव है तो निश्चित रूप से ये 0 के राइट साइड में ही कहीं होगा. अब डिनोमिनेटर इज 2, so divide this unit into 2 equal parts. So OP and PA, these are 2 equal parts. Why we have divided into 2 equal parts? Because denominator is 2. If denominator will be 3, then we'll divide this unit into 3 equal parts. If it is 4, then we'll divide this unit into 4 equal parts. And then see the numerator. Numerator is 1, so take from 0 as first part. So this one is 1 by 2. Suppose 3 by 4 is a rational number given and we have to represent this rational number on number line. So for this we draw a line and take 0 in the middle. Since the denominator is more than numerator, so we take only 1 unit. Here also and this side also to show. Denominator is 4, so you have to divide this unit into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. But each part should be equal. We have divided unit 1 into 4 equal parts. If numerator is more than denominator, then we'll divide other unit also into 4 equal parts. Now see the numerator and you count from this point. Numerator is 3, so take 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. So this third part is 3 by 4. In this way, we can represent any rational number on the number line. If rational number is negative, suppose -3 by 4 is the number, that is a negative rational number, then this can also be represented by the same way, drawing a number line, take 0, this is 1, this is also -1. Since it is negative, so you go to the left of 0. And how many parts should be divided? Seeing the denominator, you divide this unit into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 equal parts. And you start from 0 and go to left, and seeing the numerator, you move. Here is -3, this is -1, -2, -3. So this point is -3 by 4. In this way, we can represent any rational number on the number line, depending first whether it is positive or negative. Second, what is denominator given. So this is very important to do. Now comparison of rational numbers. It is clear that every positive rational number is greater than 0. First point is every positive rational number, every positive rational number is greater than 0. This is first. Second, every negative rational number is less than 0. Every negative rational number is less than 0. These two things are important. Second, how to compare two rational numbers. अगर दो rational numbers दिया हुआ है तो हम उसको compare कैसे करेंगे? पहला स्टेप, फर्स्ट स्टेप होगा express each of the two given rational numbers with positive denominators. सबसे पहले रैशनल नंबर के डिनोमिनेटर को पॉजिटिव करना है. दूसरा, टेक द एलसीएम ऑफ दीज पॉजिटिव डिनोमिनेटर्स. एलसीएम ऑफ पॉजिटिव डिनोमिनेटर्स. थर्ड पॉइंट, express each rational number obtained by first with the LCM as the common denominator. So common denominator में उसको express कर देना है, and after that seeing the numerator, seeing the numerators, we can immediately compare of rational numbers. तो ये चार पॉइंट हमको करना है. पहला पॉइंट है कि डिनोमिनेटर जो भी रैशनल नंबर दिया हुआ है, जो भी दो रैशनल नंबर दिया हुआ है, मान लेते हैं, एक एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं, कोई दो रैशनल नंबर हम कंसीडर करते हैं. First rational number is 2 by minus 3 and minus 4 by 5. There are two rational numbers. We have to compare which rational number is smaller than out of these two. The first point is we have to convert denominator as positive denominators. So how will you convert? 2 by minus 3 will be converted to positive if you multiply by minus 1. It will be minus 2 by 3 converted. Minus 4 by 5 is already converted form. Minus 4 by 5. This is first point. Second point, in minus 2 by 3 and minus 4 by 5, you see the denominators and you find its LCM. LCM is 15. If 3 and 5, LCM of 3 and 5 is 15, then try to change each rational number into converted LCM. So minus 2 by 3 will be converted to minus 2 into 5. Why? Because 3 into 5 is 15 and minus 2 into 5 is minus 10. So minus 10 by 15. Similarly, minus 4 by 5 can be changed as we have to convert this one as 15. So you have to multiply by 3. Here also you have to multiply by 3 is equal to minus 12 by 15. You can say easily which one is greater. Minus 10 is here and minus 12 is here, suppose. So definitely this one is greater and this is smaller. So minus 10 by 15 is greater than minus 12 by 15. In this way we can compare two rational numbers. Similarly, suppose minus 3 by 5, 7 by minus 10 and minus 5 by 6 are given, and you have to write in ascending order. We can write this one in ascending order by the same way.